Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, made it into Silver 2 with the rentals. Didn't play as much as I wanted to last night, so I did get Silver 2 awards. I should be in the Silver 1 tonight, or probably go 3 where I'm going to hang out at. So I'm pretty close anyway. But let's go ahead and claim the rewards for the day. And then the numbers are looking pretty good as of this morning when I did them. So that's a good thing. But I'm finding out that so I get 3 chests on Silver 2. And a card and crystals and a potion. Okay, adding to the asset value. Let's go look at how many potions I've stocking up on. Once I go back to 12 and 13. Wow. I'm gonna have lots by the time I get back to the packs. Yeah, I stopped doing packs because the value you're getting out of them. You can get a very good valuable cards, but the odds were so bad, and I was getting like 50 cents asset value out of each $4 pack. So I now put my $10 right into the market and do much better. Okay, let's go to Splinterlands 10,000 here. So here we are, the 17th of May, 10,000 challenge. Not sponsored by Splinterlands, just something I'm doing on my own. Here's the rules I go by. Today I'll be putting in $10 more. I do it every other day. And I do it on the odd day because after this video, because I get extra SPS from the PowerPoints. So, but it's still every other day it comes out to. And so I've got a total of $794 invested in this game. And I joined in January. So I keep a record of the value of that day, the number of cards, the PowerPoints, and then the profit. And this is right before everything plummeted. So that's why my profit was the highest. But for putting in $10 every day, and for as bad as things are, you can pause this and look at the numbers for any particular day. Here I started keeping in the box record. And I might add some more data as we go along. But today's the 17th. $870 value. I think that's a record. Yeah. 860 right there was my before that. And so that's good. The prices are coming back up. Now that fluctuates as much as $50 in any given point throughout the day. So that's a snapshot at the moment, but still I wasn't seeing any of that. I mean, look, I was getting snapshots at 665. 152 with 4813 in the box, 127,740 CP. I'm going to stay in gold 3 until I can naturally stay in gold 2. I think you need 150,000. And just because of the expense of renting and the value you're getting from gold 3 to gold 2 probably isn't worth it to do it unnaturally. I guess it could be debatable. There's I forgot to fill in the thing. So hold on. Okay, so with just since the day before, I mean, just a bump. Remember, I was at -2 profit 4 days ago, 5 days ago. That's when things just plummeted. And I'm up already to 162 with just a tad of a little bump. That's what I'm saying. I'm in really good shape as far as if the markets start pumping. Everything's down right now, everything. But if everything starts coming back, I could be sitting at a couple grand's profit halfway through the year, or actually before halfway through, and that could only get better. So do I still think I can reach 10,000? Yeah, I really do, especially with all these maxed out commons and rares that I'm getting for $5 a pop, $5-6. That's going to 5x or 10x probably, I imagine, if not more, because the cards you're getting them for a penny, 2 cents. All they got to do is go up to a dime to 5x. And so what's going to trigger that? I don't know yet. I don't know what the time frame is. Pretty much is what I'm saying. But here, it's up to 9 cents. There's the peak monsters. There's my totals. Oh no, that's my rentals. Hold on, that's what I'm renting out. Which, by the way, that's all I have left to rent if I want to stay in Gold 3. The Ifrit Rising, I haven't found much use for. Um, it's not that it's a very powerful card, but I have a hard time with the attack every other round because they usually disappear in the first round. So it's like you don't, or maybe they get one attack in 3 rounds and they're gone. So my strategy, I just haven't been able to work in, so I rent it out. And I got this gold legendary Afridi in when I first joined about 25 packs, and I got him in one of the packs, which is from what I'm realizing is an incredible pull. So I rent these 5 cards out. I got to go re-rent. I got to change the price on these. That's way too much. This is left over. These 2 from end of season. So I'll probably be getting about 5 to 10, maybe 15 for the gold gargoyles. And let's go check out I didn't buy anything yesterday. So let's go look at the dashboard and get an update on the market. We'll do this last 7 days. And a little bit of an uptick. It might be because of end of season transactions. The battles are way up. That's normal on a transaction on an end of season. More players at the end of season, 401,000 daily active players. That's incredible. That's a lot. We have an uptick on why is that not highlighting out? Players. Okay, yeah, the number of players that joined, and I can't get that number to pop up for some reason. Right here, the spell books, 106 purchased yesterday. That's anything over 100 is good. Actually, any spell books, that means you got players. If you're willing to put in $10 into this game, you can. You're probably going to take it seriously. And if you watch videos like mine and all the other YouTubers, it's whatever your strategy is going to be. There's so many different ways to go about it. And only you know what you can afford. This is not financial advice. Listen to me on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join on any of the links below. Here's the number of cards went way up. This is purchased. 830,505 cards purchased. That's why the numbers don't bother me on these rewards, that there's a million of them. As soon as they retire them, they're going to plummet because everybody's going to be burning them, which they are now too. The only thing we don't know, I think, is what the actual amount produced is, which could be helpful. Okay, the market cap is it's came down a little bit, but it's pretty much been about 150 range. It's down to 136 now, but let me see. Token prices have come up a little bit. You got the 10 cents, or how much is it for every 100? The SPS is up to 9. It was up 8.8 yesterday. Let's see. Maybe they don't have that number ready, but it's 11 cents for every 100 DEC, and that's a total market cap. But so yeah, good shape. Little bit of a strategy thought is checking out which ones I rent the most, and then budgeted them to see, because I put the $10 in every other day, and if I can buy them, I don't have to rent them. That's going to save on my rental, because since I started renting, which I just started last week, I've been renting out since day one, because that was why I came here. I love the concept of owning property that you can rent out. That's passive income, guys. And if you can build that up large enough, you can live off that. I'm not there yet. I'm nowhere near that. But the point is if you can get enough rentals and the prices are good and you're making a couple $100 a day on rental, and this ain't the only site I got that is going to have rentals. You got Vivi coming out with rentals. You got all sorts of sites that are talking about it, and Splinterlands right now has got the best rental market where there's an actual need to rent, which the other platforms don't. But anyway, I'm getting kind of sidetracked there. What I was talking about, the the rentals. Um, so I haven't been spending DEC on any in the market. Is what I used to do. I used to take all because I could rent out. I was stuck down in Bronx, so I was renting out good 50,000 in CP a day, and I could get 500 DEC a day, and then go buy cards, and that's one way to build up your asset value. Albeit a little bit slow, but now that I'm renting, I got to save it, and like today, things were very cheap, like one DEC for some of my cards that I rented. Others were like the Summoner was 60, but if I'm making 200-300 a day, that will easily cover my expense throughout the season, and I can stay in gold 3. And what's funny is you watch a lot of YouTubers, they like to drop down into silver or something, the strategy of it. And I don't know quite why. I've heard them say things like because of the events in the guilds and the tournaments. So I got to research that. Maybe it is better to stay down in silver, but I like the sound of gold, and I do like more chest, and the prizes are supposed to be better towards the beginning of the season. And don't forget, this is the last season before things change. So really, this strategy that I got now might be obsolete in 14 more days to an extent, or at least at the very minimum, have to change things. So I'm just going to stay on course. And if you see what you like, please like and subscribe. I'm doing a video every day to show you my numbers and that you can make money at this game. As inexperienced as I am, and as a little bit that I'm learning about the game every day, I'm still showing a profit as bad as things are. If I can do it, then I know anybody can do it. And that's just a fact. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.